Hey, what is going on, guys? So I just grabbed some SPY calls and I just want to show you guys why. So you guys can see here, this is the chart for the ES, so the S&P 500 futures. And I want you guys to kind of look at what I am seeing here. So we can see this 5660 level. So this was a very obvious range that we were trading in for a while. So every time we came to this 5660 level, sellers came in and sold right there. And then we came to this 5550 level and buyers stepped up at this area. And we were kind of range bound for a few days. On the 17th, you can see right there, on the 17th, we broke out of this level. And then we came to the next level of supply and we rejected that area. We are having a pullback now and look exactly where we are coming to, right back to that 5660 level. If we go to a shorter time frame, you can see this is that major, I guess it's a demand zone now, major demand zone, but it was a prior supply level. We're coming to that level and we are immediately seeing that green candle forming. We're seeing those buyers stepping up. So I am very interested in this level. I already took a position right at the test of this level. Now I want to kind of show you guys the cues as well and what that is showing us, because this is very interesting. So we kind of have the same story where we had that breakout right here. You can see we had that breakout, and then right now we are retesting that zone right there as well. But look at this huge gap. So we have a gap right here. And what everyone likes to say is stocks like to fill a gap, which is only half true. Stocks do like to fill a gap, but they also like to use gaps as support areas. So when a stock comes to an old area where we gapped up into, when we come back to that level, it usually uses that level as a support area and it stays as a support area until we see that break lower. And as you guys can see, we came to that level, but we did not break below that level. And we started seeing some consolidation right at that level, which tells me that sellers stopped selling. Sellers stopped selling and buyers started to step up. So I was very interested in the S&P 500. The only thing that is giving us issues right now is, as you can see, S&P 500 futures are doing great holding on to this level. The Qs are doing great holding on to this level. We can see SPY, it doesn't have any resistance till 564, so that's fine. But the issue right now is NQ. So NQ has this resistance level at 19,700, which is kind of right here. So we broke below this resistance level right here. And this is where we're having that issue. But once we break above that 19,720, then we can definitely see a move higher and we can see those buyers stepping right in. So that's kind of my idea. That's why I entered. And with every idea, we got to have a stop loss. So I have my 15-20% stop loss in place, but let's see where this goes. I just wanted to show you guys where my headspace was at and why I was looking at this trade. All right, guys. So I'll see you guys once I sell my position and do a trade review. Peace.